What is going on, you guys? Alex here with Sportline, bringing you another Tesla video. In today's video, we're going to be checking out our new freezer for the Model 3, Model Y trunk area. This is going to fit in the lower compartment underneath the removable floor panel, and it's going to fit in there perfectly to where you can even replace this removable floor panel back on top, cover the whole thing up. It'll be completely hidden, and you'll still have full use of your trunk area. So let's get in a little bit closer here and check out this freezer, what you can do with it, and how it's gonna fit and how we install it. So pretty simple, we're gonna have the freezer unit itself and then the power adapter. So it's just gonna plug in to the freezer, and then we're gonna use this end to plug into a cigarette lighter. So there's gonna be one right here on the Model Y, and then on the Model 3, there's gonna be one a bit further up in the rear center console. And then we'll just run the wires down along here, which we're going to show in just a second when we install this. And so as far as the freezer itself, pretty large capacity. We've got temperature control right here, and this is going to be a maximum of 50 Fahrenheit with a low of -8. So everything from refrigerating to even freezing items if we need to. There's going to be an LED light here when you open the door, making it easy to see things if you're out at night camping or anything like that. So now that we've got some of the basics out of the way, let's go ahead and walk through the installation. It's going to be pretty simple. All right, we're going to start by just lifting up the floor panel, getting that out of the way. All right, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and run our power wire. Get it plugged into our cigarette lighter port right here. And now on the Model Y, we've got these trim panels on the inside of the trunk floor here. We can actually just lift these up out of the way, and we're gonna run this right under here. We'll snap it back into place. And now we've got this power wire here for when we drop in our freezer. So when we get ready to drop the freezer in, the power wire is going to plug in on this far side here. I'm going to move some of this wiring out of the way while we drop our freezer into place. So you can see it slides into the floor area perfectly. It's going to sit nice and flush here. Now we can go ahead and just plug this in. Should hear it power up. I'll just tuck the rest of the wiring down out of the way. Alright, to get started here, we're just going to press the power button. Alright, so when you first power up the unit, what it's going to be displaying is the current temperature. To set the temperature, we're going to hit the setting button. You'll see it switch over, and now we can use our up and down arrow to set the temperature that we would like. Once you're done, you press the setting button again, and it's going to go ahead and start up. Now let's say we're all packed up and ready to go. We can simply slide the floor cover back over top, and we have all of our trunk available for use. Alright, that will do it for us today on our installation of the Model 3 and Model Y in trunk freezer. So if you have any questions about what we did today, make sure to leave a comment down below. We'd be happy to help. If you want to check this out for yourself, you can do that at tsportline.com. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified whenever we post new videos. We got lots more Tesla content coming very soon. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.